Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. Slight windy Copenhagen today, little wind, a little rain, but we are working for my top stocks to watch for the coming week. So like, subscribe, and stay for the rest of the video. This week top stocks to watch includes 13 very interesting A+ setups, so don't go away. First name is DOCN, DigitalOcean Holdings. We broke above the yellow zone. Now I want to see continuation above the 40-80, and then as you can see we have the trend lines that will take us all the way towards the 50 area. This upper trend line, very important area of resistance, but it's resistance that shows us higher highs. Next is BYND, Beyond Meat, finally broke above, out and above this downtrend channel. Now all I want to see is continuation inside the yellow zone. Once I will see 2-3 days closing inside the yellow zone, I will start taking my small size long position, and I will add to the position once I see a weekly close above the yellow zone, above the 815. We have earnings coming up February 22nd. Always watch and be prepared where the earnings date for the positions that you are holding. We are traders, we are not gamblers, and this is the exact reason why we do not go in earnings with an open position. At least this is my opinion, this is what I do. I close my positions, and it doesn't matter if I'm in profit or not. I'm closing the position before earnings, because going into earnings with open positions, it's like putting your money on the roulette. AI broke above this downtrend channel. Now, if you can see, we are double bottom scenario on a weekly time frame. Look at this double bottom scenario on AI. Zoom out to get a better point of view. We have all this area, the 23-24 area, very important area of support, held. It was strong resistance, became strong support. Now I want to see continuation above last week's highs. Then we will see 30 to the upside, and then back to 45. And if you are lazy, you can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. You have all the levels to the upside. And if you are super lazy, this is why I have invented a magnificent FTI version 5. We broke above the downtrend channel. This is why we got ourselves a buy signal above the yellow zone. Now all we need is continuation above the 29.43, then 31 area, and then 35 and 43 to the upside. MDB, MongoDB, earnings coming up. Still have time. We are in an uptrend channel above the yellow zone, above the green line, above a buy signal. Now all we need is ask Fibonacci, the FTI version 5. What if breaking above the 407 area? We will see 447 to the upside on MDB. Snow. Earnings, end of the month, still have time. And what do we see? Uptrend channel above the yellow zone. The yellow zone, for those who don't know, it's the most important support and resistance zone according to the FTI, and it calculates itself on any time frame, on any closing candle. Once a candle is closed, the FTI version 5 calculates itself and gives us a better buy sell signals, a better risk management, better and most accurate levels for future price action. Long continuation on snow above 235, and then 250 and 270 together with this upper trend line. Etsy. Let's see Etsy. Uptrend inside the yellow zone. Now all we need is long continuation, 2 days minimum, staying above the yellow zone, and then we have the green line that calculates itself to be our risk management. 82 and then 86 earnings coming up February 21st after the bell. Next we have ALGM. Broke, very nice, broke above. Massive downtrend channel, as you can see. Now what do we see? We have triple bottom, double bottom scenario of the 25. This is the neckline, long continuation, and in my opinion, we will see 36.40 and then 43 to the upside. And of course, it's only my opinion. As usual, disclaimer, everything that you see here on my channel is my opinion for educational purposes only, using the FTI version 5 to help me get better decisions, less emotional decisions, with up to 85% accuracy on any time frame. Yes, you heard me right. Up to 85% accuracy on any time frame, on anything you want to trade. VSCO, Victoria's Secret, still have time to earnings. Broke above Thursday, Friday, nice breaking above the yellow zone. As you can see, the yellow zone is the most important zone. Look what happens when price is inside the yellow zone. We have sideways move. Sideways move represents the battle between bulls and bears. This case, for now, bulls are in control. Long continuation about 29, and we will see 31 and 33.40 towards this upper trend line. ULTA, Ulta Beauty. What do we see? We don't need to break our head. What is the FTI version 5 tells us? We have an uptrend channel above the yellow zone. Look at the yellow zone, how it held. Very important area of support. We are above the buy signal, above the green line, our risk management. Now, if we are not long yet on ULTA, we have two choices. First, maybe wait for a pullback to the 510, maybe to the 510, or back to the 500, and then next leg up, or breaking above, continuation above the 524 towards 540. ADSK, Autodesk, super bullish, super uptrend, above the yellow zone, above the green line. Now all we need is continuation above the 270 towards 280 and 296. All we need is one click away. The FTI version 5 gives us everything that we need. It gives us the roadmap for future price action. This is something that no other tool, no other indicator can show you. Why? Because all these indicators, all these tools are lagging behind price. The FTI version 5 is not an indicator. It's a tool that shows us with the highest probability, up to 85% accuracy, where price might be heading next. So far you found what you see helpful and you like it, just hit the like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any other video. Let's grow this channel together. I appreciate each like, every subscriber. We do what we do to help more traders become better and more professional, profitable traders. PATH, UiPath is next. Broke above the yellow zone. We got ourselves a buy signal. We are inside an uptrend channel where price might be heading next. Don't break your head. Ask yourself, what if? We will see continuation about 27, 28.50, and then 30.30 to the upside. Next we have CELH. What do we see on CELH? Broke above the yellow zone. We are now waiting for break above this middle trend line. From support, 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 now resistance. Long continuation above this area, the 50, the 60 area toward the 62, and then can we get 70 before earnings? We still have time on earnings on CLH. Don't forget to check your earnings date and the positions that you are holding. Last but not least, PEN. What do we see? Uptrend, very steep uptrend, buy signal above the yellow zone, long continuation above 274, and we will see 286 and 302 to the upside. Earnings coming up February 22nd after the bell. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Just hit the like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss every day 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. We are going live pre-market preparations. Until then, enjoy the rest of your weekend.